Hi everybody, welcome to our Friday feature. Now, as you know, every Friday we are featuring a product that we use all the time. Now for this week, I'm actually not going to be concentrating on a product as such, but I do want to tell you about my new design in so long, and that is my lingerie design that we've got next to me. So I went ahead and I took my Surfer Designs pattern that I usually just go and I just create tops for myself and jackets, even skirts in my dresses, but I wanted to take it one step further. I thought, why not make a nightie? Now, what I love about this design that I'm actually going to take you through doing with me is that I could get the perfect fit for my body. Usually if I go into the shops and I want to buy a nightie, the cups never fit. You've either got to be a very small bust, or they make it so that there's no bust shaping at all. And for me, that's really not something that I like in my nighties. I want something that's going to hug the bust and that's just going to be comfortable for me and that's going to fit me at the end of the day. No more really draping, or when I'm sleeping that it feels like everything is falling out, if I can say it like that. So what I've done with this class is I've used the Surfer Designs dress kit. And if you don't have the dress kit yet and you would love to start designing with me, then I'm going to tell you, go ahead and look at the Surfer Designs dress kit for this design and so long. We've also got our designing stylus that I use during the design and so long, and this will allow you to draw all the curves that you need, from your bust curve that we're going to do, our hip curves, anything like that we are going to design with our designing stylus. Now, also another thing that I wanted to do with this design and so long, I wanted to give you more options. I didn't just want to do a nightie. I wanted to show you that once you've designed this pattern, that you've got all these options to play with. You can go and make a camisole. I know some of you out there would like to make your own slip. So again, a perfect pattern for your slip that you can do just by following the steps. And because you are designing for yourself, you can go and change it up and add or take away whatever you want from this design. Again, with doing this design, we are using like a soft knit fabric. And I also went ahead and I added some lace. I love the feminine look that we get from lace. So I actually added lace on both of them. And I don't know, guys, if I'm looking at this, I'm loving it. I can't show you a photo with me on, but I'm telling you, I've never had a better fitting nightie in my life. So this is really what I do with my design and so long. I try and create stuff that I love and that I know I'm going to wear all the time, and I'm hoping that this is something that you are also going to enjoy making for yourself, that you would look at this and you're going to say, wow, I also want to make my own nightie or my own camisole. So if you're ready to start designing with me, I want you to go to my SureFit South Africa Academy and I want you to go and register. And once you've registered, you've got access to all the videos to follow along on the designing and the sewing side of this design and so long. And as always, I do share everything that I know about my tips and techniques working with the fabric, how you've got to set up your machines, and I also love talking about different options that we have. So all my patterns that I design, again, is going to be really one pattern and many designs out of it for you to go and play with. Now, I want you to also, if you are a South African customer and you don't want to pay with PayPal, you can go ahead and you can go to our online store, which is surferdesigns.co.za. And if you go to the online courses, you can also find the online course there. You can then, with that option, you can go and pay with my PayFast or with EFT. And then once you've registered for this course, you will get an email with a discount code that you go and use in the academy. So then you'll just have to do that extra step for me, go to the academy and go and register in the academy using the discount code. And then you can start designing with me. And guys, all I can say, and I keep repeating it, designing for yourself is so much fun. I really don't want the hassles anymore with commercial patterns, with patterns that doesn't fit me. And really, if we look at it, those are all standard sizes. If we look at every woman out there, we've all got different bust shapes. We've all got different cup sizes. And when we go to commercial patterns, they don't accommodate us by doing those or adding those for us into the patterns. But once I design for myself, I can really go and create anything out there. Whatever I want, I can design for myself. And because I'm enjoying it so much, and because I love the freedom of designing whatever I want, I really want you to start trying it. I really want you to not get courage, but I want you to not be scared to go and try designing. I know so many customers out there previously told me that I'll never be able to design, and I can tell you that you can design. Surefit Designs is giving you the tools that you need to make it so much easier. You've got all the tools there with Surefit Designs. All you're going to need is your body measurements, and then you can go and design with me. So please go and visit my Facebook page as well. I did add some more photos over there for you, and you can also go to our Surefit Designs online store and my Surefit Designs Academy as well. Those are my three platforms that I have available. So go and look at all these things. Go make the decision to decide, or go make the decision to design with me, and then I'm just going to see you in the academy.